everyone, happy Thanksgiving. It is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. You want to tell them happy Thanksgiving, Stank? You said cheese. Okay, so yes, I am. What time is it? I think it's like one something. It's like one something. And yeah, my macaroni and cheese is done. So I wanted to show y'all that. I still have my yams in the oven. Y'all know, if you watched me last night, I did a vlog. Okay, you can check it out. Only thing I did from scratch is the baked macaroni and cheese. And I decided that I'm going to fry chicken. I'm a fried chicken. I'm not going to bake anything. I'm not going to do the fish because I was thinking about frying a few pieces of fish, but I don't feel like doing it. So yeah, I'm a fried chicken. Okay, so let me show you the mac and cheese. Okay, so here is my baked macaroni and cheese. Just got out the oven. Yes, macaroni and cheese. So I have my greens, glory greens, glory. These are mixed greens and what is it? Margaret mixed canned greens and glory collard greens. So yeah, got that on there. And like I said, my yams is in the oven. Look at that. And see, what I did was, because I know that, you know, the juice and all that stuff runs over, and I didn't want it to get at the bottom of my oven. So I put aluminum foil on the rack so it can catch all that. So this little stuff right here, I can clean that later. Okay, so we're gonna let's look at the yams. Let's look at the yams. Where's my stand? I have to put y'all on the stand. Oh yeah, and I'm having stuffing. Yep, it's the box stuffing. It is. That's what I'm making. That's what I'm making. And I have my, almost forgot about these, my Jiffy cornbread. It's going to be ready. I'll put that in the oven once I start frying the chicken and I do the stuffing, stovetop stuffing, because that won't take but like maybe like 5-10 minutes for the stuffing. So that's when I'm gonna do that. And my egg salad is already I made that last night, so that's already in the refrigerator. And I got trash, y'all. Excuse the trash bag. But let's see, I can take the aluminum foil off the yams. I could take that off and let it bake without the aluminum foil on top. Because, oh goodness, all these juices. Because it's been baking for, oh wow, it looks so good. It looks so good. I don't know why I put it on there so tight. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all look at the yams. Let me throw this in the trash. Sit that in the sink. Okay, y'all can look at my yams. Oh, you can't see them. Can't see them. Okay, so yeah, so these are the yams. I have the pineapples in there, the cinnamon, brown sugar, and I added a little bit of sugar, but I'm going to let it bake with the aluminum off the top. Okay, so yeah, and the yams are the, okay, what I was saying, the yams are the Bruce's yams. Yeah, the Bruce's yams. And what was it? The Kroger brand yams also. That's what I use. I mixed them up, y'all. I'm gonna get another sheet of aluminum foil for my yams, because I'm gonna cover it back up. So I'm gonna put the aluminum foil on my mac and cheese. Hold on. Yeah, put the aluminum foil on my mac and cheese. Yo, okay, hold on. Let me get a fork. I'm gonna dig into it. I'm just gonna take just a little piece out. You wanna taste? Auntie's mac and cheese? Hold on. But we're gonna dig into it. Let me see. Yes. Okay. I zoomed in so y'all can see when I dig into the macaroni and cheese. Maybe I should use my, I was gonna use my spatula, but I'm gonna use the spoon for the digging. Okay, so I want this piece. I'm just gonna take a little bit. Just gonna take this little corner piece. That's the macaroni and cheese. Oh. My sister loves my macaroni and cheese. Everybody loves my macaroni and cheese. Yeah. So to make the macaroni and cheese, I use milk, sour cream, and of course cheese, and butter, and that's it. And you put the paprika on the top. But yeah, so this is the macaroni and cheese. Oh, and egg, forgot. Yeah, so can't forget your eggs. So that's the mac and cheese. It's good, y'all. So yes, this is where I cut into it. This is how you could tell this is good macaroni and cheese, baby. Yes, good macaroni and cheese. Yeah, so I eat this, and yeah, so that's the only thing I have to do. I'm getting ready to season my chicken. Clean it, season it, and I'll start frying the chicken once my yams are almost finished. So, and that's gonna be that. And I got my sweet potato pies. I got 2 of them from Kroger, and a peach pie. So that's gonna be the dessert. And I'm gonna put that in the oven. Once everything gets done, you only put it in the oven for like 15-20 minutes. I'll probably put them in there for like 20 minutes. And mac and cheese. I love me some macaroni and cheese. My sister, oh my God. I know when she come back, I'm gonna have to make some more macaroni and cheese. You ready for your mom to come back? But yeah, I'm not gonna hold y'all up. I'll probably come back later when the yams are finished, and when I put the Jiffy, when I make the rest of the stuff, which is not gonna take long, I'm gonna come back and share that with y'all. Okay, but I hope y'all are enjoying your Thanksgiving with your family, friends, or even if you're by yourself. If you're having Thanksgiving by yourself, that's even better. That's even better. More for you. I'll see y'all later.